Hey friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar, and in today's Do Not Get It Right session we are going to not getting it right by becoming the boss, but we are going to be the leader. Why? Because everybody has the potential, each one of us can be the leader. That is, we can be the leader, but not everybody can be the boss. Let them alone, let them be alone. Bosses not meant to achieve the greatness that the leaders are. And when each one of us can become the leader, when each one of us can achieve that greatness that the bosses never can, why do we even think of becoming a boss? Even as an employee, you can become a leader. Then why think of becoming the boss? Boss is a bad and a poor word to be. Do not think of becoming a boss when you can become a leader. Be the leader and not the boss. And why I say this is something that I'll be explaining. I'll be telling you in more details about why you should be aspiring, you should be working on becoming the leader. The leader in your own universe. The leader who leads self first. The leader who leads his life first. The leader who takes care of himself first. The leader who makes successful himself first. And when you do all of these things, when you lead your life successfully, when you lead yourself successfully, that is when you are on the right path to become a leader who would be leading everybody else, who would be helping and working on becoming the entire society successful, helping the world to be successful, helping everything to get better around him. A leader is not one who only is, who always fights, or who always complains, or who always is so messed up like a boss is. A leader is someone who leads by example. And a leadership is not associated with business ownership. You need not be a business owner to be a leader. That is the best part. So if you are working, if you are doing a job, you can be the leader in that job by taking decisions, by making things right, by not going back to your senior every single time to sort out a problem. You find out your solutions, you find out the solutions that you have for the problems that you have, and you become the leader. When you become the leader, you grow. And when you grow, the world grows with you, because you are the leader, leading first of all your universe. And when you lead your universe, everybody else loves to be a part of your universe. Why is leadership, being a leader, so important but not very easy? Each one of us want to be a leader. Each of the politicians around, you see that they want to be the leaders. But do we actually have so many leaders around? Is it so easy to be a leader? It's not. It is not. A leader is not a politician. A leader is not a business owner. A leader is not some bureaucrat or he is no one, but he is within each one of us. We just need to identify, we just need to find out our leadership qualities, our leadership abilities, and how we can lead ourselves and the world. How we can lead ourselves, our family, and the world. And if we are able to figure out, if we are able to understand the leadership quality that is there within us, that is hidden somewhere within us, we can become the true leader in every sense. We can become the true leader. And a true leader is like a sun who maybe burns himself from within, but he always showers light on everybody else. He helps everybody else grow. He helps everybody grow. And when everybody else grows, when everybody else shines, he automatically shines. He automatically becomes the sun. And when you are the sun, you need not be anybody else. If you can be the sun, why do you want to be anybody else? So that is how a leader is. A leader is the sun who throws light, who shows light to everybody else, who helps everybody else glow bright, be bright. No matter how hard he has to burn himself from within. No matter how hard he has to work, how hard he has to give in to make everybody else shine, but he never complains. He never says that why should I, but he still, and no matter how much others blame him. You have seen the sun? People keep blaming, oh man, that is so sunny, the day is so bad, sun is so hard on us, and so many things. But does the sun stop giving us the light? No. Even if he hears so many complaints, even if he hears so many bad things, he keeps giving us all light. He keeps helping us in shining, and when he helps us in shining, he gets what he needs in return, and that is the position of being a leader, and that is what you are poised to become. You are supposed to become. I, Sawan Kumar, wish you all the best in becoming the leader who first leads himself, then his family, the society, and then maybe the universe. So, what are you starting with today? What are you starting to lead today? Or are you waking up early? That is how you lead yourself. Are you working out every day? That is how you lead yourself. Are you working towards a goal every day? That is how you lead yourself. And once you learn to lead every single aspect of your life, you are a leader already. So wish you all the best from me, Sawan Kumar, once again, and have a great and a wonderful evening. Have a great and a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.